Welcome to the world of Dashmate. Experience the ultimate in dash camera image quality with our DSH-1200 4K Ultra HD dash camera. The DSH-1200 has many exciting features and advanced technology that helps record your daily drive and give you peace of mind on the road. With 4 times the resolution and pixel density of standard high definition, the DSH-1200 4K Ultra High Definition dash camera delivers ultra sharp footage and crystal clear license plates. With its sleek modern design, premium finish and night and day clarity, this dash camera is a grade above the rest. Receive real-time on-screen alerts including fixed speed cameras, red light cameras, school zones and more. An accessories kit has been added to keep all the dash camera essentials in one place. You will never lose power with this included 12-volt charger that effortlessly plugs into your vehicle's cigarette lighter. When installed, the extra long 3.5-meter cable keeps unwanted cords out of harm's way. It also includes a hidden USB port so that you can charge your smart device simultaneously. The suction mount attaches to your vehicle's windscreen with the easy release locking lever. The dual locking points secure your DSH-1200 camera safely in place. It also has built-in GPS and a DC in socket for power supply. Quickly and easily transfer your footage from your dash camera to your PC with the handy USB cable. Simply connect this cord directly into your dash camera to make viewing and saving your footage effortless. The user guide is great for all your setup and troubleshooting needs. Dashmate is technology driven. We keep you connected to your journey.